Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a plane in Grand Theft Auto 5. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. To get airborne, hold down the right trigger or W key to accelerate. Once you reach sufficient speed, gently pull back on the left stick or the 5 key to lift off. Remember to retract your landing gear by pressing the left stick or G key for smoother flight. Mastering these initial steps is crucial for a successful flight experience. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to explore more advanced maneuvers. Use the left stick or A and D keys to control your plane's yaw, which is turning left or right without banking. The right stick or 4 and 6 keys will control your pitch and roll, allowing for barrel rolls and loops. Experiment with these controls to navigate challenging environments and impress your friends with your aerial prowess. Landing safely is just as important as taking off. Begin your descent by reducing throttle and aligning with the runway. Extend your landing gear by pressing the left stick or G key when you are about 100 feet above the ground. Gently touch down on the main wheels first, then lower the nose wheel. Apply the brakes by holding the left trigger or S key to slow down and stop your aircraft. To become a true ace pilot in Grand Theft Auto 5, consistent practice is key. Start with simpler planes and gradually move to more complex aircraft. Always check your surroundings and use the minimap to plan your routes and avoid obstacles. Remember, patience and persistence will transform you into a master of the skies, ready for any aerial challenge the game throws your way.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.